Hello, sixth grade. So today we are going to be working on dividing fractions. This is a review from all the way at the beginning of the year, so I know a lot of us have forgotten how to do it, which is why it's really important that we review it today. So question number 1 is just a simple dividing fractions problem. 5 divided by 1/3. So if we look at our steps at the top of the page, the first step that we have to do is convert all of these numbers to fractions. So in order to make a whole number a fraction, I need to put it over 1. So now I have 5 over 1 divided by 1/3. Step number 2 is keep, change, flip. For those of you who are here at the beginning of the year, you remember the video, keep, change, flip, that we watched with the class. So we keep the first number, which is 5 over 1. Change our division sign to multiplication. And then the most important part to remember, which is the thing that we forget the most in this class, is to flip the second fraction. So 3 over 1/3 becomes 3 over 1, because you just flip the two numbers. Then we just multiply straight across. So we do 5 times 3, which is 15 over 1. 15 over 1 can be simplified to be 15. All right, I want to also try number 2. So copy this down, pause the video if you think you can do number 2 on your own, and then restart it again, and I'll do it with you. All right, so number 2. There are 2 2/3 pounds of Skittles in each large bag, and the entire bag is split equally among a group of friends. If each person splits 3/4 pounds, how many people can share the bag? So we're taking 2 2/3 pounds and we're splitting it into groups of 3/4. So that means we're going to be dividing because we're splitting into equal groups. So I have 2 2/3, because that's how many Skittles I have, divided by 3/4, because that's the size that goes in each bag. All right, so again, step number 1, convert all of the numbers to fractions. So I need to convert this number to a fraction. So I'm going to squeeze in Texas. So T up front are the addition sign, multiplication sign below. Because what we are doing is we're trying to make this mixed number look like this, so that it's a fraction. It'll be an improper fraction if you remember that vocabulary from the beginning of the year. So first we do 2 times our denominator, 3, which is 6. So 2 times our denominator, 3, plus 2. So 6 plus 2, which is going to be 8. Keep our denominator the same, divided by 3 over 4. Then keep, change, flip. So keep this first fraction, so I'll just rewrite it. Change our division sign to multiplication, and then flip this last fraction. So our denominator becomes our numerator and vice versa. So I'll have 4 over 3. And I'll end up with 32 over 9. I can't simplify this because there's nothing that goes into 9 that goes into 32 as well, but I can make it into a mixed number. So 9 goes into 32. I'm dividing 32 divided by 9. 9 goes into 32 3 times with 5 left over. So 5 is now our numerator. And you'll see if we squeeze in Texas again, 3 times 9 is 27, plus 5 will get us back to 32 over 9. So our answer is 3 5/9. All right, go ahead and try the rest of these problems on your own. Let me know if you have any questions, and then you have some long division and multiplication review on the back. Good luck.